Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitsubishi, and I am an accredited seller of the MCA Home. So today, tara samahan nyo ako, i-discuss ko sa inyo yung construction update natin for Alder Residences. Okay po. Hello po, kamusta po kayo? So right now, nandito ako kay Alder Residences. So i-update ko kayo sa construction niya. So currently, as of October of 2023, nasa 43% na po completion nitong project natin. So ngayon right now, kita niyo quick information about Alder Residences. So si Alder Residences, so ano siya, located along Banyan Road in Acacia Estates po, okay, in Taguig City. So kung familiar kayo dito kay Mahogany Place 3, kaharap niya, okay. And then itong existing na to, this one is I think a mid-rise development din of the MCA Homes. Nakalimutan ko lang yung pangalan. Ilalagay ko na lang dyan kung yung project yun. But then ito yung access road niya, papasok papuntang Alder Residences. And this is the first building, si Andea. Okay, so malapit na rin itong magta-turnover na tong unit na to. So the total lot area of this project is nasa 2.8 hectares, almost 3 hectares din ito. Wherein meron tayong 4 buildings na mid-rise. Actually considered as high-rise na siya. Okay, na hanggang 17 floors per building. So right now ito yung dalawang building na fronting Mahogany Place, na ang view rin is sa may BGC and Makati yan nakaharap. Diba? So napakaganda at napaka-exclusive po ito pong project na to, because Alder Residences is inside in our private township. Okay, so dito may mga available pa tayo na units kay Alder Residences. Ngayon, if you're looking for a mid-rise development na exclusive, okay, na exclusively na nandito sa loob po ni Acacia Estates, nandyan yung mga numbers ko po. You may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, and also pwede rin po tayong mag-schedule ng online presentation via Zoom. Pwede rin tayong mag-schedule ng site viewing kasi meron din tayong mga model units na available, na model units na pwede natin makita dito sa area. Okay, so yun po. So thank you very much for watching po. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video ko YouTube, ma-notify po kayo. Okay, so thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.